Hi everyone, my name is Magdy ElFaramawy and I'm coming from the land down under Australia. I am working here as ICT manager with more than 15 years of experience of managing several IT projects involved a lot of security risks and a lot of solutions to solve complex challenges. One of the biggest challenges nowadays is mobility. Everyone have a smartphone. So in our session, I will shed the light on the importance of mobile device management, or the name it MDM. I will present at the Arab Security Conference 2019 that will held in 22nd and 23rd September at Ritz-Carlton, Cairo, Egypt. What you will cover, Magdi? I will cover the importance of MDM, the definition and the frameworks of MDM, the top 5 MDM solutions, and the best practice. So, if you wish to implement MDM in your organization, come and join me at Arab Security Conference 2019. See you.